Welcome back to the Acute Block Crypto News Roundup. In this video, we'll be learning about Litecoin's halving event as it aims to solidify its position as digital silver. As the Litecoin blockchain gears up for its third ever halving event, scheduled for Wednesday, the cryptocurrency community anticipates a reduction in the issuance of LTC tokens. Similar to Bitcoin's halving mechanism, this adjustment is expected to bolster Litecoin's value and scarcity, leading to potential price appreciation. The halving, occurring approximately every 4 years, will reduce the current 12.5 LTC reward for miners to 6.25 LTC. This disinflationary approach is aimed at encouraging wider adoption while maintaining network security, according to Litecoin's creator, Charlie Lee. Lee, inspired by Bitcoin's unique qualities, developed Litecoin with features mirroring its predecessor, including periodic halvings. The latest halving, set to happen around 1634 Universal Time Coordinated, aims to balance the reward structure for miners, shifting from subsidies to transaction fees over time. Lee clarified that the intention behind Litecoin's halving cycle is to encourage organic network growth, where transaction fees eventually sustain miners. He noted, the idea is that there will be enough usage on-chain creating enough fees. The fees will be enough to pay the miners to continue to help secure the network. Litecoin's halving serves as a valuable lesson in blockchain dynamics, particularly as Bitcoin's next halving in 2024 approaches. While Litecoin's price has risen by 33% in 2023, analysts remain cautious about predicting significant price surges tied directly to the halving event. As the crypto world watches the outcome of Litecoin's halving, it offers insights into how supply adjustments can influence cryptocurrency markets. The relationship between supply, demand, and investor sentiment remains a driving force behind price movements in the crypto space, and Litecoin's event could offer valuable insights for the broader digital asset market. Thank you for joining us to learn about Litecoin's halving event happening Wednesday, August 2, 2023. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Acute Block Crypto News Roundup for more updates on the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Until next time, stay informed and keep exploring the possibilities of blockchain technology for positive change.